what if the sun just stopped moving across the sky? One side of Earth, an eternal oven. The other side, frozen darkness forever. And between them, a thin ring where humanity fights to survive. This is called tidal locking. The moon already does this to us, the same face always pointing at Earth. If Earth became tidally locked to the sun, one hemisphere would face our star forever. On the day side, the sun becomes a fixed point of terror in the sky. Temperatures soar past 100 degrees Celsius. Oceans don't just evaporate, they explode into superheated steam that rips across continents. Mountains crack and crumble under relentless radiation. The atmosphere itself becomes a weapon, with winds screaming at hundreds of kilometers per hour, carrying ash and fire. Nothing survives here. Not plants, not animals, not even bacteria.
This half of Earth transforms into a planetary-scale crematorium. The night side offers no mercy, just a different kind of death. Eternal darkness. Temperatures plunge to minus 150 degrees Celsius or lower. The air itself begins to freeze, falling as nitrogen snow. Oceans lock into ice continents miles thick. Any remaining atmosphere migrates toward the day side, leaving a near vacuum. Stars shine with terrifying clarity in a sky that never changes. This isn't the cold of winter, it's the cold of deep space, brought down to Earth's surface. But there's one place where hope survives: the Terminator Zone. This narrow ring circles the planet where the sun hangs forever on the horizon, eternal twilight. Here, temperatures hover near freezing, but liquid water could exist. This is where humanity would make its last stand. Life in the Terminator Zone wouldn't be easy. Massive storms rage along the boundary as superheated air from the day side collides with frozen air from the night side. Hurricanes the size of continents, never ending. Volcanic activity would spike along this ring as Earth's crust buckles under the stress. But underground cities could survive. Geothermal energy from the volcanic zones could power them. Hardy plants engineered to grow in permanent twilight could provide food. Humanity would become a species of the eternal sunset, clinging to the only habitable band on a broken world. Fortunately, this nightmare is fiction. Earth's distance from the sun means tidal locking would take tens of billions of years, and our star will swallow us as a red giant long before then. Our planet's rotation isn't just convenient, it's the reason we have seasons, weather patterns, and a magnetic field that shields us from solar radiation. It's why life exploded into millions of species instead of huddling in one thin band. Every sunrise and sunset is a reminder: we live on a world in perfect motion. But here's the question: if you had to choose, would you risk the Terminator Zone's endless storms, or take your chances on the frozen night side where at least the air is calm? Drop your answer below.